Aging is a natural process, but what if you could slow it down by simply choosing the right foods? Imagine feeling energetic, looking radiant, and embracing a youthful spirit well into your golden years. Today, we uncover 7 hidden foods that can help reduce the effects of aging. These aren't your regular recommendations. They are scientifically backed, nutrient-rich, and inspired by the wisdom of Stoicism. Let's dive in. 1. Dark leafy greens. The youthful elixir, spinach, kale, and Swiss chard aren't just ordinary vegetables. They're powerhouses of vitamins A, C, and E. These antioxidants fight off free radicals that cause wrinkles and dullness. Moreover, they're rich in lutein, which protects your eyes as you age. A Stoic approach reminds us to nourish our body simply yet effectively. Add a handful of greens to your daily diet to see the magic. 2. Blueberries, nature's anti-aging gems. These tiny berries pack a punch when it comes to skin health. Blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, compounds that enhance collagen production and improve skin elasticity. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what's essential, and blueberries are a small yet mighty addition to your diet that provides maximum benefits. Snack on them or add them to your smoothies for a youthful glow. 3. Walnuts. The brain booster. As we age, cognitive decline becomes a concern. Walnuts, with their omega-3 fatty acids, are a perfect shield for your brain. They also support heart health, reducing inflammation in the body. The Stoic way is about making small, deliberate choices, and including a handful of walnuts daily can lead to significant long-term benefits. 4. Green tea. The detox drink, green tea has been revered for centuries as a health elixir. It contains polyphenols, which not only boost metabolism, but also protect against cell damage. Drinking green tea regularly can enhance skin hydration and slow down the aging process. A cup of green tea in the morning aligns perfectly with the Stoic philosophy of simplicity and mindfulness. 5. Sweet potatoes. Nature's glow, food. Rich in beta-carotene, sweet potatoes convert into vitamin A in the body, promoting healthy skin and reducing fine lines. Their natural sweetness is a reminder of Stoicism's teaching to find joy in simple pleasures. Bake, boil, or mash them. They're delicious in every form and can be a wholesome replacement for processed carbs. 6. Turmeric, the golden spice of longevity. Turmeric's active ingredient, curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It combats age-related diseases, keeps your joints healthy, and gives your skin a radiant glow. Incorporating turmeric into your diet, whether in curries, teas, or as a supplement, embodies the Stoic idea of preventative care and resilience. 7. Dark chocolate, a sweet indulgence with benefits. Here's a surprising one. Dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, 70% or more, is loaded with antioxidants that improve skin texture and protect against sun damage. It's a small indulgence that keeps you youthful. Stoicism teaches moderation, and a small piece of dark chocolate can be a mindful way to satisfy your cravings while nourishing your body. Practical tips for including these foods in your diet. Start your day with a green smoothie packed with spinach, blueberries, and walnuts. Replace sugary snacks with a handful of nuts or a piece of dark chocolate. Swap your afternoon coffee with a soothing cup of green tea. Incorporate sweet potatoes and turmeric into your meals for added flavor and health benefits. Aging gracefully is about making conscious choices every day. These 7 hidden foods are not just beneficial for your body, but also align with the Stoic principle of living a life of purpose and intention. Start incorporating them into your diet and see the difference. Remember, aging is inevitable, but how you age is in your hands. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this wisdom with your loved ones. Together, let's embrace healthy aging and a Stoic way of living.